Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the reading. So now today I feel you should do the Ganesh Mudra. Ganesh Mudra is needed to remove obstacles and for your wishes to fulfill. As the month is coming to an end, maybe Ganesh Mudra will work for you beautifully towards the upcoming month for you all to manifest your dreams and for you all to get all your wishes fulfilled. So let's work on Ganesh Mudra today. Also, the color today will be pink. I feel a lot of you need a lot of self love and a lot of negative energies around you or negative thoughts around you, because of which you need to work on self love and work on yourself, so that once your energies are clear and your negative thoughts go, you will start attracting all the positive things in life. Let's see what is the first card today. The Chariot card. So some of you will be traveling today, some of you may go out, spend some beautiful Sunday time, or maybe some of you are traveling to work only, because the next card which I see is work. So maybe some of you will have to go to office or will have to go for some business related meeting, because of which the travel is there. But I feel when I'm seeing the 8 of Wands, some new opportunities are coming and some beautiful work will also come for you, which will help you in manifesting all your dreams and to make your upcoming month into a beautiful month ahead. So time to soar high, time to work beautifully and aim for more beautiful journeys of your life. Also, before I finish today's reading, when you're doing the Ganesh Mudra, if you can offer some prasad and then do this Ganesh Mudra and chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha, with the intent that the energies of the coming month are bringing a lot of positive results and making you more successful in your career and in your personal life, it will work beautifully. After you chant and after you finish the mudra, that prasad you can also have and you can also give it to your family members. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.